Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello students, in the last lecture we had learned the basic concept of ethics where we understood the difference between the three terms ethics, morals and values, and then we even understood the basic meaning of ethics. So in today's video we'll be learning the evolution of ethics. Let's start with the video. So, from where did this ethics evolve? It's a buzzword nowadays. Now, we hear about this term everywhere in each and every institution we go. Even in each and every social institutions if I talk about. So, from where did this evolve? Now, basically this ethics is being termed as conceptual bridge between biology and human behavior. Now, what's this biology and human behavior a conceptual bridge? Not understanding? It's very simple. Let's take one small example. Now, cigarette smoking, it's a basic human behavior which many of the people might have adopted. But now this human behavior, all the culture which is being adopted, is it going in lines with the biology? No, right? Now, cigarette smoking is injurious to health, which means it is something against the biology, right? So now over here, the biology and the human behavior is colliding with each other. Now, when these two collide with each other, there is an informational feedback that the humans receive. Now, what's the basic motto of any human being? Survival, right? Everyone wants to survive on this earth and everyone is here doing somewhat the other thing for their survival. Now, when they understand that the certain actions that they are doing are going against the biology, which may fetch them into the vicious cycle of pain, obviously they want to go away from it. Now, to go away from this vicious cycle of pain, but of course, they start reacting towards the informational feedback that they have received in this dynamic system. When they react towards this dynamic system, now what will happen? There are two actions that might take place. One is either they might sustain the behavior or they might redirect the behavior. Now, when will they sustain and when will they redirect the behavior? Now, sustain, when biology and human behavior will not collide with each other. That is the time when they will sustain. But now when these two collide with each other, to move away from this vicious cycle of pain, what will they do? They'll redirect their behavior. They'll change the behavior. And this is where, this change of behavior is where your ethics comes into picture. So from where did this ethics evolve? Is it clear right now? Now from where did this ethics evolve? Now when the human behavior and the biology started colliding with each other, there's an informational feedback that we receive, and once we receive this informational feedback, we start reacting over it, and this is where the people understand what is right and what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, what is fair, what is unfair, and that's what our ethics is. This is what we learned in our last video, right? Now, you can see one more term here which is cybernetic ethics. Now, what's the cybernetic ethics? Cybernetics, cyber, something related to IT? No. It has nothing to do with the term informational technology. Now, when I talk about the cybernetic ethics, the informational feedback that I get in this dynamic system, which either sustains or redirects my behavior, this process is called as cybernetic ethics. Now, the cybernetic ethics has evolved this term ethics. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda. Subscribe Ekeeda.